In fact, big breaking news which is coming in, and now the Congress was quick to give credit for the government's decision to Rahul Gandhi, as we've been telling you, as to who made the caste census pitch the center stage of his political campaign, both in 2024 Lok Sabha polls as well as the assembly polls. Now you have Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, who has boasted that it was his state which was the first to conduct caste census, and added that it was a proud moment for the Congress party as Rahul's vision is now finally turning into a reality.
इस मौके पे मैं राहुल गांधी जी को धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूं। तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस सरकार बना दो, हम जनगणना में जाति गणना करने वाले हैं, हमारे सरकार के वादा। मगर राहुल जी ने इस जनता का आवाज सुनकर वादा किया हुआ है, इसीलिए तेलंगाना राज्य में कांग्रेस सरकार बनते ही जनगणना में हम जाति गणना करके दिखाए। आज मजबूरी से केंद्र सरकार ने निर्णय लिया, मगर इस मौके पे हम लोग राजनीति बात करना नहीं चाहता है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में केंद्र सरकार ने अब जनगणना में जाति गणना करने के लिए जो तय किए, जो निर्णय लिए, हम लोग अभिनंदन करना चाहता है केंद्र सरकार को, नरेंद्र मोदी जी को।
Well, let me go across to Pragya as well as Rishabh, who are joining us. Pragya, I'm going to come to you first. It's interesting. Today, the walls of several of the cities are plastered with pictures and photographs of Rahul Gandhi, saying that finally his vision has turned into a model. Is this Congress's way of going on the offensive instead of being on the defensive? Because at the end of it, the Congress may have paid lip service when it came to caste census nationally, but the truth is that Modi did what Congress couldn't.
Well, Congress certainly is claiming credit for this particular decision by the government, saying that the caste census become possibility because of the consistent movement that Rahul Gandhi started in every state. And in fact, it was the pressure of Rahul Gandhi that the government has, stated that they will be doing this caste census and the population census. Now, having said that, BJP is also on the offensive now, saying you had a government since independence, you had UPA governments, you sat on Karlekar report, you sat on Mandal Commission report, and you never implemented caste census. In fact, your late Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh, always spoke about it, taking it to cabinet, but that was never implemented.